Bye.
Electric gun overpowered.
Yeah, just a bit.
Oh, I'm out of ammo. Shit.
Come on, Chris, quick, triangle.
Oh shit.
Oh, bye, James. There was the second one.
I definitely pressed triangle.
Yeah. Some boxes.
Ammo.
I can't move.
What?
Why can't
What?
Hey, try and jump.
I can't. Oh, wait, that worked.
What the hell?
Try and jump.
What? What?
Try and jump.
Everything works apart from...
Just keep trying to jump. Ah,
Oh,
you're
let
out.
me fly.
Yeah. Triangle on me.
What? I
Can you move
still
now?
can't move.
Jace broke the game.
Right, Chris, follow me. Let's try and kill James.
No.
Nope.
Let me just try a different controller. Maybe my analog's broke.
I think
Chris
we
kind of
got stuck
died anyway.
Okay, let's turn off this controller. Turn
No,
off
I'm
Why
controller.
would the bottom?
I'm just gonna kill myself there.
Don't kill me. I'm turning on my controller.
We're gonna try.
Okay.
No,
So
it's just
that-
gonna kill us, Chris.
No, I still can't move.
And we can't seem to kill you. You're just gonna have to keep pressing triangle on us.
I
Yeah,
got
there
it.
you go.
Oh, there we go.
Hopefully that works.
Don't worry, if not, we'll just keep doing it.
Yeah, I can move.
And all we had to do was kill you. I hope that happens to you a lot more often.
Now I'm using my new controller. I don't like this one.
Oh well. Controllers are always better to break in on games like that, opposed
true.
to like games like COD and MGO. I mean, did you ever try breaking a new controller in on MGO?
Yep.
Yeah.
Was not fun.
Oh, it depends on what you were doing. If you were boosting runner, you would want a broken controller.
No, I'm talking full on like competitive survival.
I never did full on competitive.
Oh.
I just raged.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Why am I locking onto Chris?
That's what I said. It always made me do that.
Chris, come on, fucking jump up.
Whoop.
Yeah, it's what, 4.
He pulled me.
Don't worry, I pawned him back.
Boy. Revenge.
How many of them?
Just the one. Just one big one. This the mummipede.
Oh, there's loads of them here.
No, there's just little ones.
Health?
Yeah, down. Well, okay, that's odd. We should have had the Letlands popping up at the slime pools.
Hang on, guys.
Ow!
Oh, what?
Oh, what? I tried jumping over James and I got hit.
Revive.
Thanks for shielding me. Oh shit, are you down?
I got him.
And I appreciate his assistance.
Oh,
Ow.
that's ammo on there.
God damn it.
Oh, one down, one to go. Yeah, I'm probably gonna die in a minute. Yeah, I'm down. Revive me!
Yeah, after this go.
Don't leave a comrade to die!
Ow!
Oh, James is dead, let's go. Oh, you're still alive. Chris, we aren't doing our job properly.
Whoa.
No, I know.
Yeah.
But it's so hard.
Guys, I need ammo! Back up, I need ammo! Oh, James is dead.
You better get me.
Chris, down here. That was easy.
Whoa.
Yes.
Reflector
I
again.
already have the reflector.
I want it. How do I get it?
You've got it.
Oh. Hey,
It's,
come on, I need ammo.
It's the top one.
Ammo. Yeah.
And you can just use your shield, James.
Ammo.
James, you didn't actually pick it up.
What?
No, you don't need ammo. You're full.
I used loads. I should do.
Oh,
Do you
fool.
get this by default now?
No, I think you got it because you started playing with me. But yeah, you don't actually need the
Need what?
this deflector, because James, you've got your shield for
Whoa.
one. Yeah, I'll do all the reflecting. You guys just stay behind me.
I'm just gonna run through.
Go on then, jump over me.
Ugh.
See, you can just run through it.
Engage reflectors.
Broke it.
Come on, run up. Hey, stop trying to get us killed.
No, I was worried about my shield dying.
No, don't
Alright,
worry.
come on, guys.
You will be completely and utterly safe. It won't die on you just like that. It's like
Yeah,
if
but
you
my
run.
shield can run out.
Yeah, and then you just put it back on. Yeah, put it back on. Run. You sewed it down on purpose.
I didn't. Jump, guys, jump.
Oh shit, what happened?
You died somehow.
I'm guessing you jumped off the thing.
I lost vision of myself and then I was gone.
You have a shield too?
I've got my reflector. That's
a
what it's
job.
for.
How do you use that?
That's the gadget we just picked up. Only one person needs to use it though.
I'm killing him with my shield.
Yeah, that's what the elite does. That basically hurts enemies.
Ah, shit. Okay. Alright, door's open.
This way. Might want to back up a little. Now we can go. James, you might want to equip your shield.
Yeah, way ahead of you, buddy.
Bolt, bolt, bolt. Oh crap, there's one there for me as well.
Wow, you even missed that one?
Yeah, apparently. I don't trust
Oh,
James's
play.
shield, so...
Um,
That's right. My back.
Not Chris off.
Alright, let's prepare this.
Right, ready?
Sam, you're gonna do the thing. Chris will jump in it. And you're gonna thingy him, okay? That way I can keep the shield up.
Mm-hmm.
Go, go, go.
Ready, pal?
I so thought you were gonna die there.
So did I.
Yeah, why did it knock you off? It did it
That's
It
to
didn't
us.
hit me.
Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on.
Oh, shit, I keep doing that.
Yeah, don't equip your shield here. This has to be done this way. Chris, I'll do it.
Oh, so that's why we got the reflector.
No, it's just that that little bit has to be done.
The hell did I fall into then?
This, a lift that we need to go on.
I am ready.
I fell into like the fan on it.
Yeah, I was very optimistic about the hour, wasn't I? Well, the 2 hours.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's still a lot more to do.
All systems are operational.
Shame James can't use his shield while we're going down here.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, shit.
Fail. Fail.
Oh what? I could totally go through there. Oh, wrong one.
Fail.
Yeah, that's how you survive.
No.
Oh, wait, we have a boost?
Yeah, X.
How do I do that?
X.
X.
I did just
Yeah.
say.
X. What's that?
Oh. Ah.
Cover, Captain. All systems are fully operational.
Ow.
So I fly straight back up into it. I am a fucking genius.
Clearly.
Yeah, clearly. We're done.
Oh.
Right.
Red times 2.
You want to be very careful.